surprises. There is lot in store. We only have one mother, one I adore. You gave me lots. You helped me out. Stepped in when things went wrong. Oh, mother dear, I have to cheer. I'm so happy I could sing you a song. But today, our grade 2 students, they are all set with their stories to salute motherhood. A very warm welcome to our faculty members and especially the members of the jury today. Mrs. Manjushri Sachdeva, ever enthusiastic, passionate, since long connected with MGN, almost 3 decades she served MGN. She had been narrating beautiful stories in the classrooms and had left remarkable impact on her students. We welcome you, ma'am. We have another sweet, humble, polite members of the jury today, Mrs. Benu Arora.
Hello, everyone.
She is always leaving an impression of knowledge and wisdom thoroughly. In a gentle way, she conveys everything. We are going to begin with the storytelling competition on the special occasion of Mother's Day. And I also welcome the team of grade 2 and the participants. We are going to begin with, and how could I forget my co-partner, Mrs. Rupinder Kural. We are going to begin with the students of second A, the very first participant to connect and to enter in the storyland, Rohini Arora from second A. Rohini of entire MGN team, welcome our headmistress, Mrs. Sangeeta Bhatia.
Thank you. Thank you. And very good morning, Manjushri ma'am and Benu ma'am. So lovely to see.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
And good morning, my lovely teachers who worked so hard on these children and my wonderful activity team, Navjot and Rupinder Kural ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning and thank you.
All wishes to all the participants. Please proceed, Navjot ma'am.
So my first and final call is going to Rohini Arora. She's coming up with her story, The Real Mother. All the very best.
God could not be everywhere, and therefore he made mothers. Once. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Rohini Arora from class 2nd A. Title of my story is The Real Mother. Once, two women had a fight over a small baby, and each claimed that she was the mother of the child. As a result, they were brought before a judge. The judge listened to both the women, but it was really a difficult case to decide. Later, the judge found out the solution and he ordered one of his men cut the baby into 2 parts and give equal parts to both of them. On hearing the judge's order, one of the women shouted loudly and said, "Let that woman have the baby. I give up my claim to it," and other women remained quiet. The wise judge found out the real mother. He gave the baby to the woman who was ready to give up her claim. The judge sent other women to the jail. Moral of my story is a mother always wishes well for her child. Thank you and happy Mother's Day to all.
Thank you. Very well done, Rohini. Thank you so much. After Rohini Arora, I would like to call upon Parv Jain. Parv Jain is coming up with his story, Honesty is the Best Policy. Parv, kindly unmute yourself and come in the front.
Good morning, teachers and my friends. My name is Sojan. I study in second A class. Mother is the greatest gift given by God. Today I am going to tell a story. Once upon a time, there is a girl named Barbie. She used to lie every time. One day, ma'am announced sports competition. Barbie was so excited. She raised her hand and said, "Ma'am, pick me. I love sports." Ma'am wrote her name. Early morning, she wake up and went to the school. She thought, "I can do what I do." "Oh yes, I can lie to ma'am. Ma'am, I got hurt in my leg. I want to sports anymore." Okay, Baki. Thank you, ma'am. After few days, ma'am announced art competition. Baki was so excited. She raised her hand and said, "Ma'am, pick me. I love sports." Ma'am, her name. Early morning, she wake up and went to the school. She thought, "I can do what I do." "Oh yes, I can lie to ma'am. Ma'am, I got hurt in my hand. I won't do art anymore." Ma'am said, "Okay, Barbie. Thank you, ma'am." After few days, ma'am announced dance competition. Barbie was so excited. She raised her hand and said, "Ma'am, pick me. I love dance." But ma'am said, "No, Barbie. You always lie." Barbie was sad and told her mother. Mother told never lie. Competition means you have to first. She understands and know her mistake. Barbie was first prize in the dance competition because her mother told never lie. Be honest. Moral of the story is honesty is the best policy. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Par. And now I extend a very warm welcome to In Charge Pre-Primary, Mrs. Sukha. Welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you, Navjot. Good morning, everyone. All the best to everyone and congratulations in advance. Since you are in this competition, that's also a win. Okay? Do well. Good morning, Sangeeta ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning,
Welcome.
Manju ma'am.
Welcome.
It was Par Jain, and now we are turning towards Navreet Kaur. Navreet is coming up with the story One Eye. Navreet Kaur.
Mother, that one word cannot be defined in a single phrase. A mother represents the combination of feelings, behaviors, and sacrifices. A very good morning to all. I am Navreet Kaur from second day. Happy Mother's Day to all present here on this virtual platform. Here is a story named One Eye. Once a kid used to live with his mother. They were very poor. His mother had only one eye. One day, mother went to his school. Everyone in school laughed at him and taunted about his mother. Due to this, he thought that his mother's presence is just an embarrassment for him. So he studied really hard with good grades and landed a good job in other city and left his mother. After a long time, he went to his old house. He saw his mother lying on the floor, lifeless, with a piece of paper that is a letter to his son. She wrote, "My son, I miss you so much. I am sorry that I had only one eye. When you were very little, you lost not one eye in an accident. I couldn't stand watching you having to grow up with only one eye. So I gave you mine. I love you, my son. At last, I would say, no language can express the beauty, power, and heroism of mother's love. Never ever disrespect and ignore your parents. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Navreet. Wonderful story with a wonderful message. Next, we have Rehan Bhardwaj from 2nd B. Rehan, kindly unmute yourself.
Okay, ma'am. Respected principal, sir, teachers, and my dear friends, good morning. My name is Rehan Bhardwaj. I study in 2nd B. Today I'm going to tell you a story, and my story name is A Mother's Love. One day, Thomas Edison came home and gave a paper to his mother and said to her, "My teacher gave this paper to me and told me to give this to your mother." His mother's eyes were tearful. She read the letter aloud to her child. "Your son is a genius. This school is too small for him, and we don't have good teachers to teach him. Please teach him yourself." Many years after, Edison's mother died, and Edison had become one of the greatest inventors of the century. One day, he was going through his old closet and found a folded letter which was given to him by his teacher for his mother. He opened it up. The message written on the letter was, "Your son is mentally ill. We cannot let him attend our school anymore. He is expelled from the school." Edison became emotional reading the letter. And then he wrote in his diary, "Thomas Edward Edison was a mentally ill child whose mother turned him into a genius of the century." The moral of this story is a mother's love and upbringing can help change the destiny of a child. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy Mother's Day.
Very well done. Thank you, Rehan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mother really helps a lot. ਬਣਾਉਂਦੀ ਵੀ ਹੈ, ਸਵਾਰਦੀ ਵੀ ਹੈ, ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ ਵੀ ਹੈ, ਆਪਣਾ ਆਪ ਲੁਟਾਉਂਦੀ ਵੀ ਹੈ. And next I call upon Arshnoor Singh from 2nd B. Arshnoor.
My name is Ashnoor. Today I will tell you a story.
The name of the story.
The title of the story is The Wise Mother. Once upon a time, a Brahmin lived with his mother. One day, the Brahmin has to visit another village for some work. The Brahmin got ready to go. The mother told him, "Why are you going alone? Take someone with you." The Brahmin said, "There are no thieves, no wild animals." Then the mother go to the pond and got one crab and ate the crab and gave to the Brahmin. Then the Brahmin take the crab with some camphor balls. The Brahmin started going for the journey. After some time, the Brahmin was very tired and rested under a tree. A snake lived under the trunk of the tree. Then the snake came out and saw the Brahmin and saw next to the bag and smelled the camphor balls and slipped under the camphor balls and began the snake eating the camphor balls. The crab got angry and attacked the crab, and finally he killed the snake. After some time, the Brahmin woke up and saw the dead body of the snake. The Brahmin truly felt we should always listen to our mothers. Moral, we should always listen to our elders. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Arshnoor. And now, the next participant is Anshdeep Singh. Anshdeep, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Anshudeep Singh and I am studying second B. Today is storytelling competition and my topic is Oh my wonderful mother. Oh my wonderful mother, you have made my life smoother. You are my guide, I always right. You are my teacher as you always lead me like a leader. You are my best friend, I friendship will never end. I do remember it never falling. My mother is so caring, I never see you free. You are a backbone of our family tree. You work for 24 hours, no Sunday, no weekend, but you have made our home. Oh, my wonderful mother, I love you so much. Thank you, Mama. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Anshdeep. After Anshdeep, we are turning towards second C. Aditya Ahuja is coming up with his story, A Mother's Love. Aditya Ahuja.
A mother holds their children's hand just a little while and their hearts forever. Good morning, everyone. My name is Aditya Ahuja. I study in class 2nd C. Mother's Day is celebrated on second Sunday of May every year to show love towards our mother. The ancient Greeks and Romans began the tradition of Mother's Day as Mothering Sunday. Today I am going to narrate a story of Thomas Edison, a mother love. One day Thomas Edison came home and gave a paper to his mother. The mother's eyes were tearful as she read a letter aloud to her child. Your son is a genius. This school is too small for him and doesn't have good teacher for training him. After many years, Edison's mother died and he became a great scientist after he invented a bulb in 1879. One day he found a letter which teacher gave him. He opened it. The message written was, your son is a genius. Your son is mentally ill and he is expelled from the school. Edison became emotional and wrote in his diary, Thomas Alva Edison was mentally a child whose mother turned him into a genius of the century. Moral of the story is, a mother's love and upbringing can help change the destiny of the child. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Aditya. And now it is Samika Singh turning in. Samika Singh. Just 1 minute, Samika. Yes, come on, start.
Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, on this special event of Mother's Day, I would like to share a story with you. I love my mother. One day, I asked my mother that why Mother's Day is celebrated. She said Mother's Day is on second Sunday in May. It is a day to celebrate mothers and all that they do for us. My mother looked at me standing there, and I could see the memories flashing through my mind. I recall that she is not only my mother, but she also my guide. She loves me and my younger brother very much. Being a school teacher, she performs her duty with courage in open administration. This also reminds me the story of Dr. Keerti, who is the mother of 6 years old son Ishan. Once she said to her son that there are days when the workload is massive and she feels that she could have been exposed to the COVID virus. So she does not come to the home, but she regularly tells her son that how much she loves him and she will always come to the home to him. Suddenly, I woke up from memories flashback and said to my mother, "You are my life. Thank you. Have a nice day."
Thank you. Thank you very much, Samika. After Samika, we are going towards the D section. Sarat Gun Kaur.
Of millions of sacrifices, unconditional love, giving up her own dreams for our happiness. Yes, that is a mother, a superwoman. Today, I, Sargun of Secondary, is going to narrate the story Priceless Bill. Once there was a boy named Harry. He was 8 years old. One day, he asked his mother, "Mom, what is the meaning of bill?" Mother told him, "When we ask somebody to work for us or we buy things, that person makes a list of payments. That is a bill." Harry understood, and at night he made a bill, wrote on a piece of paper, "Clean father's bike 10 rupees, help you in the kitchen 10 rupees, found your keys 5 rupees, found grandma's specs 5 rupees, total bill is 30 rupees. I did this work today, so kindly pay it today." Harry put that bill under mother's pillow and went to sleep. In the morning, he found 30 rupees and a bill under his pillow. He was very happy. That bill was in mother's handwriting. "Keeping you in my womb for 9 months, 0 rupees. Taking care day and night, 0 rupees. Cooking, washing and cleaning, 0 rupees. Total bill is 0 rupees. My lovely son, you can pay it any time." Harry ran and hugged his mother and said, "Mom, the work you do for me is priceless. I can never pay it." So, my dear friend, we can never pay the hard work or sacrifices of our mothers throughout our life. Thank you.
Very well done. Very well done, Sargun. And you know what you have got? You've got a flying kiss from one of the jury member.
Sargun, you have given me goosebumps. I really touched me. So
Benu ma'am, it's the same feeling. It's
I
the
could
same
not
feeling.
resist. I really it gave me
Same
goosebumps.
feeling. I know. I had a teary eyes listening to her.
I know. Wonderful, beta. God bless.
Beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am.
all the
Thank you, ma'am.
compliments.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. I'm Sargun's mother and I have written it myself, ma'am.
That's so wonderful, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for
Keep it
your
up,
great
Sargun.
appreciation,
Keep it
ma'am.
up. Next,
you,
we
ma'am.
have Arman.
Happy Mother's
Can
Day
you
to
tell
all
us-
the mothers, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, and same to you, ma'am. Next,
Thank you.
we are going to Arman Singh Thind. And his story is Mother's Precious Advice.
Good morning, everyone. I am Arman Singh from secondary. Today, I'm going to tell you a story. The name of my story is Mother's Precious Advice. Once upon a time, there was a lazy farmer who didn't look after his fields. His mother was very upset for him. One day, his mother told him, If you see a white swan, you will have a very good life. Early the next morning, the farmer went to the river. He couldn't see any white swan, but he saw a man stealing his wheat and milk. Because of this magical white swan, the farmer woke up early. Now there was no more theft. He began working hard and became healthy and rich. One day, the farmer told his mother he didn't see any white swan. Then his mother told him there was no white swan. It is actually the honest work for those who work hard. So, friends, a moral of the story is fortune favors those who work hard. So, friends, always work hard and follow your mother's advice. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy
Thank you.
Mother's Day.
Thank you, Arman. Thank you very much. Next coming up, Aval Noor Kaur with her story Warrior Moms.
Once Abraham Lincoln said, "All that I am or I hope to be, I owe it to my angel mother." Greetings and salutations to all. I am Anil Kaur from grade 2. She's immense pleasure to be a part of this celebration, and today I would be talking about our warrior moms and their motherhood journey. Just think, from a girl putting lipstick in her purse to a woman making the diaper bag ready, from a girl eating her favorite food to a woman eating at the last, from a girl buying her favorite dresses to a woman shopping for her kids. Mother's time, comfort, sleep, appearance just goes away. And today, I'm bringing you a true story of a mother who, despite having many challenges in her motherhood journey, didn't give up at all. So this is a story of Mrs. Tent. It all began when she was making her nest ready for her second child. Finally, on 27 January 1997, she was blessed with a son and she was extremely happy. But soon, her son was diagnosed with lifelong mental and physical disability called Down syndrome. Initially, she was totally shattered, but soon she gathered strength and decided to give breath to her child. Slowly and gradually, she taught her son to be independent. Despite of being a working mother, she made a regular routine of her son. She never compared her son with other children. Instead, she started listing the things her child used to accomplish. She never let Down syndrome define her child's entire existence. As these Down syndrome kids are more prone to physical problems like thyroid, so she took her son in badminton and karate classes for his physical fitness. The struggle didn't end here. She attended all the Down syndrome workshops to learn how to handle her child with more efficiency. Now, friends, let me tell you the achievements of her brilliant son. He participated and won in Special Olympics at state and national level. He even participated in Special Olympics at international level and won bronze medal. His achievements didn't end here. He appeared for judicial exam and was selected among 1,000 of candidates. Friends, have you seen a mother dedication can make anything possible? So do you want to know who is this warrior mom? She is none other than our rainbow wing in charge, Mrs. Sukham Thin. A big salute to you, ma'am. At the last, I would like to say, neither a day nor a year is enough to pay back or thank to our moms. So let's love and respect them. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very well done.
Thank you, Aval Noor, and love you, Sukha ma'am. We are
Thank
so
you,
proud
Avanur.
of you.
You made me so proud, and you have spread the word around for other parents to follow.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for
Thank you.
being that strength. God bless you, ma'am.
Ma'am, it all comes along with you people, with the society around. Thank you so much.
शिद्दत ले जाती है वहां जहां हमें जाना होता है, और वो शिद्दत पैदा करनी अंदर बहुत मुश्किल होती है, और वो जो शिद्दत जब अंदर पैदा हो जाती है, we can even touch the sky, and after that we can say sky is not the limit, and that's you are, Sukha ma'am. Thank you so much, Aval Noor. Before we are going to section E, I would like to call upon Hanshika Singh with An Angel in Disguise. Hanshika, are you ready now?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's start.
Mother is the home. Mother is the heartbeat of the home. Respected teachers, worthy judges, and my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. My name is Hanshika Singh. Today I am going to talk about very beautiful topic about my mother, an angel in disguise. My mother name is Dr. Rajandeep Kaur. She is physiotherapist. She is the pillar of strength in everyone's life. She is one without whom my life is incomplete. Mother is not a simple word, but it is a whole universe in itself. She is not only my mom, but also my sweet dear friend. God could not be everywhere, so therefore He made a mother. She gave me life, dressed me, shouted at me, kissed me, but most importantly loved me unconditionally. I love you, Mom, because you make me feel comfortable, joyful, and blessed. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Hanshika. And next is from section E, Samveer Singh, coming up with his story Mother's Love. Samveer Singh.
Morning, all of you. My name is Samvi Singh. I study in secondary. I prepared a story. The name of my story is Mother's Love. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Thomas. One day, Thomas came home from school and gave a letter to his mother, given to him by his teacher. His mother starts crying when she reads the letter. She reads, "Your son is a genius. This school is too small for him and it does not have good teachers. You can teach him yourself." After many years, Thomas' mother had died and Thomas had become one of the greatest inventors of the century. One day, Thomas was going through his closet. He found a letter given to him by his teacher for his mother. The message written on the letter was, "Your son is mentally ill. We cannot keep him in school anymore. He is expelled from the school." Thomas became emotional and then he wrote in his diary, "Thomas Alva Edison was a mentally ill boy, but his superhero mother made him the genius of the century." Moral of the story is, a mother's love and upbringing can change the destiny of a child. I love you, Mama.
Happy Mother's Day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Samveer. Thank you. Next is Japkirat Singh coming up with his story, Mother's Unconditional Love. Japkirat Singh.
I am Japkirat. Today, I am going to recite a story. Title of the story is Mother's Unconditional Love. After father's death, Son decided to leave his mother at old age home. Son used to visit her sometimes. One day, he received a phone call from old age home. On other side of call was his mother. In very serious tone, he said, "Please come to visit." Son went and saw that the condition of his mother was very critical. He sat close to her mother and said, "Mom, what can I do for you?" Mother replied, "Please install fans in old age home, as there are no fans here. Also put a fridge for betterment of food, because many times I had to sleep without food." Son was surprised. Listen to this and questioned, "Mom, while you were here, you never complained. And now when you have only few hours left, why are you telling me all this?" Mother replied, "Son, I manage with heat, hunger, and pain. But when you get old, when your children send you here to old age home, I am afraid you are not able to manage." Moral of the story is, our parents love us unconditionally and they never stop caring about us. Thank you.
Thank you, Japkirat. And next we have Kritika, last but not the least participant of the storytelling competition.
Good
Yes,
morning,
Kritika.
respected teachers and all my friends. My name is Kritika. I study in second class. Today I recite a story, The Wise Mother. Once upon a time, a Brahmin lived in a village with his mother. One day, Brahmin had to visit another village for some work. He got ready to leave. His mother told him, "Son, why are you traveling alone? Take someone with you." Brahmin said, "I know that I have to travel, but there is nothing to be scared of. There are no wild animals and there are any thieves in jungle. But it would be better if someone went along with you." "Don't worry, mother, and don't even be feared. I will go and return tomorrow after I finish my work." Yet the Brahmin's mother was not so sure. She went to the pond outside the house. From there, she got a crab. "I do not approve of you going alone. Take this, keep this crab with you." To make his mother happy, Brahmin kept the crab along with some kapoor balls which were kept in his bag. After it took his bag and left for the journey. It was summertime. Brahmin could not bear heat anymore. Just then he saw a huge tree. He thought, "Why not rest for a while under the shade of this tree?" The Brahmin ate his food and decided to lie down under the shade of this tree. He was very tired, so he fell asleep immediately. A snake lived in the trunk of this tree. A snake came out of the trunk and saw the Brahmin. He saw bag kept next to the Brahmin. He could smell of kapoor in that bag. Snakes are known to be very fond of smell of kapoor. Snake came near his bag and slipped into it. Then he began eating the kapoor. Seeing this, the crab got angry and he attacked the snake and finally killed the snake. After some time, Brahmin woke up. Suddenly, he looked towards his bag. What did he see? A snake lying dead near his bag. Brahmin said to himself, "This crab has saved my life from snake." He thanked to the crab from bottom his heart. He truly felt we should listen to our mother. Moral of the story is we should listen to our elders. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Kritika. On occasion of Mother's Day, it was very well conceived, planned, and executed storytelling by all the participants. And now I'm going to one of our jury member, Mrs. Manjushri Sachdeva, for her wishes to these little learners.
Thank you so much, Navjot. I must thank Sangeeta ma'am and the activity in charges, the teachers, and the children for having me here. You gave me a chance, a very precious chance to be with you people, to connect with you. And you all know that how I love storytelling. I mean, stories sunana or stories sunna, it's just something I just love it. और बच्चों ने इतनी अच्छी, इतनी प्यारी stories आई. Sometimes we were crying, sometimes we were laughing, and sometimes we were just amazed कि कैसे इतनी सुंदर, इतनी प्यारी stories सुनाई हैं बच्चों ने. They were just wonderful. And just give me 2 minutes. I just want to talk to the little ones क्योंकि ये लोग मेरे से नहीं मिले होंगे, ये मेरी लाइब्रेरी में नहीं आए. मेरा group, they never met me. So there is a story, children, कि when God decided to send the first man on this earth, पहले बच्चे को जब उसने सोचा कि मैंने इस धरती पे, इस प्लैनेट अर्थ पे भेजना है, तो he prepared everything. एक बच्चे को उसने बोला कि अब तुम अर्थ पे जा रहे हो और तुमने वहां जाके दुनिया शुरू करनी है. That child was very scared. उसने कहा, God, how come you can send me to a lonely planet जहां कोई नहीं होगा? कौन मेरी देखभाल करेगा? कौन मुझे वहां होगा? तो गॉड ने कहा, डोंट वरी, मैं तुम्हारे साथ 2 एंजल्स भेज दूंगा. तो उसने कहा, अच्छा, वो तुम्हें वहां छोड़ आएंगे अर्थ पे, यू विल नॉट गो अलोन, 2 एंजल्स जाएंगे. देन द चाइल्ड सेड कि वो तो ठीक है, पर अगर मुझे भूख लगेगी तो व्हाट वुड आई डू इफ आई एम हंग्री? उसने कहा, तो ऐसा है, 2 एंजल्स और भेज दूंगा. Those 2 angels will look after all your meals and everything, your food and everything. वो तुम्हारे लिए सब इंतजाम करेंगे, so don't worry. तो उसने कहा कि इतने बड़े प्लैनेट पे, इतनी बड़ी अर्थ पे जब मैं अकेला रहूंगा, मैं तो डर जाऊंगा. मेरा कोई घर नहीं, कुछ नहीं, मैं कैसे रहूंगा? उसने कहा, नो डोंट वरी, आई विल सेंड 2 more angels. वो तुम्हारे लिए बहुत सुंदर प्यारा सा घर बनाएंगे और तुम आराम से रहना. मैंने कहा, अच्छा, तो अगर रात को मुझे नींद नहीं आई, मुझे डर लगा, तो मैं क्या करूंगा, क्योंकि उस घर में मैं अकेला होऊंगा. तो द गॉड सेड, डोंट वरी, मेरे पास बहुत पावर है, मैं 2 और एंजल्स भेज दूंगा. दे विल स्लीप विद यू, टेल यू स्टोरीज, और रात को तुम्हारे घर पे तुम्हारा ध्यान रखेंगे. अब द चाइल्ड, ही वाज नॉट लाइक हैप्पी विद इट. उसने कहा कि उसके बाद अगर मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी, मैं बीमार हो गया, मुझे कुछ ऐसी तकलीफ हो गई, मुझे कुछ हुआ, तो हु विल लुक आफ्टर मी? तो गॉड सेड, ओके, डोंट वरी, 2 एंजल्स और भेज दूंगा. तुम ऐसे घबराते क्यों हो? उसने कहा, ठीक है. तो करते करते उस बॉय ने कहा कि मुझे कपड़े चाहिए होंगे, तो मैं क्या करूंगा? मुझे ठंड लगेगी, मैं क्या करूंगा? इफ आई फील हॉट, वेयर विल आई गो? अगर वहां पे तूफान आ गए तो मैं क्या करूंगा? अगर एनिमल्स आ गए, कोई ऐसा, उसने मतलब कि जो द चाइल्ड, ही वाज नॉट रेडी टू गो टू द अर्थ. वो बता ही जा रहा था, ये प्रॉब्लम होगी तो वो प्रॉब्लम होगी. तो एनीवे, गॉड ने उसकी सारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर दी और कहा कि नहीं, तुम आराम से जाओ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. मैंने तुम्हारी हर प्रॉब्लम के लिए 2 एंजल्स लगा दिए और तुम्हारे साथ कितने बंदे जाएंगे. तो उसने कहा, अच्छा, टोटल कितने बने हैं गॉड, मुझे बता दो. तो गॉड ने कहा, 22,000 एंजल्स आई एम सेंडिंग विद यू. और अब तुम अर्थ पे जाने के लिए बिल्कुल मना नहीं करोगे. क्योंकि ये सारे के सारे तुम्हारे साथ जाएंगे और तुम्हारा ध्यान रखें। कोई सारी प्रॉब्लम्स मैंने कवर कर ली है, नो फूड प्रॉब्लम, नो हाउस प्रॉब्लम, नो प्रॉब्लम, कुछ नहीं होगा तुम्हारे। 22,000 पीपल आर गोइंग टू लुक आफ्टर यू। द चाइल्ड सेड नो, आई डोंट वांट टू गो। उसने कहा क्यों? उसने कहा ये 22,000 लोग मेरे आसपास घूमेंगे, ये तो मुझे पागल कर देंगे। 22,000 people looking after one little child. He said, no, 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 I am not ready for this. I don't want to go like this. Then God ने थोड़ा सोचा, उसने कहा, ओके, मैं ना 2 ही एंजल भेज देता हूँ तेरे साथ, वो तेरी सारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर देंगे। उसने कहा सिर्फ 2 सारी कर देंगे? उसने कहा हाँ, एक मम्मी एक पापा। एक मम्मी एक पापा। तो आपने आज हमने मदर्स डे किया है, इट्स वेरी गुड। मदर्स आर रियली रियली स्पेशल, वो हमारे लिए बहुत कुछ करती हैं और जो मम्मी कर सकती है वो कोई नहीं कर सकता। पर मम्मी के पीछे जब पापा खड़े रहते हैं तो मम्मी और स्ट्रांग हो जाती है। तो मम्मी और स्ट्रांग हो जाती है। तो पापा एंड मम्मी, उनको हमेशा हमेशा जो भी जितना प्यार कर सकते हो, जितनी रिस्पेक्ट कर सकते हो, जो भी कर सकते हो, बिकॉज दे वो तो अनकंडीशनली तुम्हें हमेशा करेंगे। लेकिन जो हमारी ड्यूटीज है हमने करना है, वो हमने करना है, क्योंकि गॉड ने जो 2 एंजल्स हमें भेजे हैं ऊपर से हमारे साथ, दे विल ऑलवेज बी देयर टू लुक आफ्टर अस। हमारे साथ वो हमेशा रहेंगे। हम बड़े भी हो जाते हैं, इतने बड़े हो जाते हैं, तब भी हमें उनकी याद आती है और वो ही हमें गाइड करते हैं, रास्ता दिखाते हैं। सो आवर पेरेंट्स, आवर मॉम डैड और हमारे टीचर्स भी उसी लेवल पे आ जाते हैं जहाँ पे हमारी मदर आती है। दे ऑल्सो कम एट द सेम लेवल, क्योंकि वो भी हमेशा, उनका भी यही वो होता है कि हमारे बच्चे जो है वो हमेशा सेफ रहे, हैप्पी रहे, खुश रहे। सो यू टोल्ड अस सच वंडरफुल स्टोरीज। हमने कितना कुछ सीख लिया आज यहाँ बैठ के, कि संगीता मैम ठीक कह रहे थे कि यू पीपल आर रियली, तुमने हमें गूज़बम्प्स भी दिए, हमें हंसाया भी, हमें खुश भी किया। एंड आई मिस यू ऑल, आई मिस यू ऑल, क्योंकि मेरी स्टोरीज ना मेरे अंदर ही रह जाती हैं, मैं बोल नहीं पाती हूँ। तो आज आई गॉट अ चांस। थैंक यू नवजोत। एंड
Ma'am, we are gonna engage you on special storytelling sessions for our kids.
Yes.
Yes,
Don't worry.
ma'am. You must do it, ma'am. You must do it.
I know you.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank you so much for
Fatima.
having me here. Thank you.
My pleasure to have you.
Leaving no words behind कि अब क्या कहा जाए. And I'm going to Benu ma'am, a little advice to little learners so that they can excel in future.
Good morning to all lovely students and to the mothers also. You have instilled such nice values in your children that definitely will be reflected as they grow. At this young age, such values, if they have, this really going to change their personalities. I really marveled at the timing and the delivery. They were all exceptionally good. All of you were really very good. Incredible and amazing job. You know, you gave us goosebumps. I already told. I was really touched at some of the stories, and they'll be very close to my heart for years to come. And especially on this Mother's Day, this was the best gift you could give to your mothers. And children, all of you were good. And one thing just I want to add is, what are the benefits of all this, all these activities, especially the storytelling? It will also have a very good impact on your academic performance. Children, it really boosts your academic performance and it makes you happier and healthier children. When you narrate stories, you really become happy and healthy. You're giving your emotions an outlet. You're sharing your feelings with others, with your age mates, with your mothers, with your, everybody around whom you're telling a story. You're just giving an outlet to your emotions. And all of you were very good. Here or there, we can improve always. A few like pronunciation errors we can say we found, but that was very, very minor and very minute. And definitely our students are really going to be, next time they are going to be even better. But today's show was incredible. It was too good. I was really very, very happy. And I'm so glad I got this opportunity. God bless you all. Thank you so much.
Say thank you, ma'am. इतनी सारी praise कर दी मैम ने आप सबकी. इतनी सारी.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Love you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
And now we should have the blessing
Thank
of
you, ma'am.
Sukha ma'am, and then we will turn towards our headmistress ma'am.
Anji, good morning, everyone. It's so nice to see the faces which were in kindergarten a few years back. just 2 years back. I wanted to visit your classes just to see you. So today was an opportunity which I got to see your faces. The stories were amazing, and it gave a very good start to my morning. And especially on, we are going to celebrate Mother's Day in KG Wing also today. So thank you very much. All my blessings, best wishes to the children and to the parents who must be working for a week long, I think so, preparing stories and charts and coloring and whatnot. There was a lot of activity at home, and maybe this was a stress buster during this time in your homes. So all the best. Stay safe, all of you. Love you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sukha ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, all of you. I can see there were few faces who were not talking in the classes. Like I can name Arman. He was very shy type child,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
he was picking up by UKG. He started talking. फिर mischief हो गई. Now he's so confident to come in front of the camera and speak. So these activities do help a child. It may not be in the first at foundational level, but that stage is there. It is giving confidence to them. And when they are in primary, they start speaking. So we should keep working.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
All
you
the
so much,
best.
ma'am. Now over to our headmistress, Mrs. Sangeeta Bhatia, towards
Good morning and thank you. Thank you,
narrators.
Navjot. Thank you so much. Today I'm actually speechless, which I'm generally not. Right? It was such a beautiful day to start on. My entire thanks to each one of you. All the mothers there who worked so much on this competition. But believe me, it was not a competition. It's actually an outlet of these little children, a gratitude for all of you. और ये एक बच्चा जो बोला है, ये उसकी अपनी आवाज नहीं है, ये सभी बच्चों की कंबाइंड आवाज है, सभी मम्मीज के लिए. Right? So my lovely kids, you do not know, आप अभी बहुत छोटे हो ये जानने के लिए कि आज आपने अपनी मम्मा को एटलीस्ट कितना बड़ा गिफ्ट दिया है. क्योंकि जब एक बच्चे के मुंह से एक मम्मा अपनी तारीफ सुन रही होती है ना, तो मम्मा को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा होता है. वो बोलती नहीं है शायद, लेकिन उन मम्मा को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा होता है. बिल्कुल सेम वैसे ही जब आपकी मम्मा आपकी तारीफ करती हैं तो आपको अच्छा लगता है. आई एम श्योर ऑन दैट. And with this note, I'll request all the mothers there, किसी भी चीज के लिए जब बच्चा अपना एक कदम रखता है, whether it's the first step which a child takes or standing for such a competition, जिसकी तैयारी आपने जरूर कराई होती है, लेकिन आज वो चीज बिल्कुल नजर आ रही थी स्क्रीन पे एंड क्लियर. अपनी हर लाइन के बाद बच्चा अपनी मम्मी की तरफ अप्रूवल के लिए देखता है. So this is for all you mothers there. Whenever the child will take the first step, he or she will look for your reaction. If you are happy, right, like Thomas' mother, they feel they are already the winners. Thank you so much. Wish you all a very happy Mother's Day, all the mothers there. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now,
And कोई मम्मा किसी भी बच्चे को कोई प्राइज के लिए कुछ नहीं कहेगी. सब बेटा आप सब विनर हो, right? And I promise you here and now, Navjot and Rupinder ma'am, note it down. We are going to acknowledge everybody's participation.
yes,
So
ma'am.
everybody is gonna get a lot of love, right? So don't worry who wins or who doesn't win. So thank you, Manju ma'am. Thank you, Benu ma'am. Thank you, Rupinder Khural ma'am. And thank you, Navjot ma'am, for making this show happen.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much, ma'am.
I want to add here that results will be announced later because we need to assemble the judges, jury's record. So this result will be announced later. But all of you are winners and you will get participation certificate. Thank you.
No, we will add on to something further. That is where I want both of you to make a note.
Little
It's not
bit
going to be
Yes,
only
ma'am.
certificate.
Yes, ma'am.
Certificate जाएगा सबको, but add on. मतलब everybody must take back something.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
Sure, ma'am.
And leaving you on this note, wishing you a very, very happy Mother's Day in advance. ਮਾਂ ਵਰਗਾ ਘਣਛਾਵਾਂ ਬੂਟਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਤੇ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ. ਰੱਬ ਵੀ ਜਿਸ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਛਾਂ ਉਧਾਰੀ ਇਹ ਸਵਰਗ ਬਣਾਵੇ. ਕੁੱਲ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਬੂਟੇ ਜੜ ਸੁੱਕਿਆਂ ਸੁੱਕ ਜਾਂਦੇ, ਐਪਰ ਫੁੱਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਮੁਰਝਾਇਆ, ਇਹ ਬੂਟਾ ਸੁੱਕ ਜਾਵੇ। ਸੋ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮਦਰ ਵਾਲਾ ਬੂਟਾ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਉਹਦੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਫੁੱਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੋ। ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਚੋਟ ਆਈ ਜਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੁਰਝਾਏ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਬੂਟਾ ਮੁਰਝਾ ਜਾਏਗਾ। ਸੋ ਕੀਪ ਰੌਕਿੰਗ, ਕੀਪ ਸਮਾਈਲਿੰਗ, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye, everyone. And thank you so much for being here with us to make this show a stupendous one.
We all can unmute and we can all wish each other a very happy Mother's Day.
Yes, we
Thank
can.
you, ma'am.
All can,
Mother's Day,
before we say
Mother's
bye-bye.
Day.
अब थोड़ा
Happy
सा
Mother's
शोर कर
Day.
सकते
Happy
हैं,
Mother's
थोड़ा सा
Day.
शोर।
Bye, ma'am. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day.
Clap for yourself. Give a big clap for yourself.
Big round of applause. Very well done.
Good job.
Very good job. Very good job. Thank you, Navjot.
Thank you so much, ma'am.